This is our room at the Trinity City Hotel in Dublin. There's the beautiful bed. So pretty. I love the furnishings in here. There's Keith getting settled in. The TV. I love that crushed velvet sofa. They have snacks there waiting for us. Look at that beautiful mirror. Love it. I love the decor. We've got a nice view of the front of the main street out there. And so this is the view. Beautiful mirrors. And then the bathroom. Wow. Look at the bathroom. Fancy. Look at that beautiful mirror above the tub. I am going to soak in that tub. Trinity City Hotel. So excited. There's the shower. There's the throne. Nice. I love it. Now we are going to Blarney Castle, and we are going to kiss the Blarney Stone, and it's supposed to give us the gift of the gab. Like I don't already have that. But that's what we're about to do now, so I'll take some photos while I'm inside.
Enjoy all of the bottom and just the smooth one at the bottom. Keep going back. Just the one there. Hold up. Mind your head coming back up. Hold up.
Here's the spire in Dublin.
Good morning. We are going on a hop-on, hop-off tour today of Dublin, and we are searching for some breakfast. So I think we're going to go get a cappuccino and a couple scones, and we'll be on our way.
We're at one of the stops on the hop-on, hop-off bus. We're going to see the National Gallery, which I think has some Van Goghs. But before we go over there, we're going to go check out the Oscar Wilde statue. I can't remember exactly what Oscar Wilde did. I'll Google that when I get back. But he does have a statue here, and we're going to check that out. Here's one of the stops on our hop-on, hop-off tour, and it is the Oscar Wilde statue. The only statue in the city with color, supposedly.
Hi guys, we are at the National Gallery here in Dublin, and we're going inside there to see some Van Gogh paintings. So I'm really excited. Let's go. So this is one of my favorite painters, El Greco. And I've been wanting to paint skulls lately, but I absolutely love this painting. Here we have a Johann Vermeer. He is one of my favorite painters.
Okay, we're in the room at the National Gallery that has all the really famous paintings, or painters.
We are still in search of the Monet and the Van Gogh, but this is a spectacular museum with so many old world masters. Unbelievable.
Okay, we're finished with the National Museum, and now we're about to go see the Book of Kells, which is right behind us there. You can see it right back there. So we'll show you some more video when we get there. Okay, we were going to get off at the Guinness stop, but there's a Tealing distillery tour first, so we're going to get off there first, check it out, and then we'll get on over to the Guinness factory. We're inside the Tealing Whiskey Museum. I thought they were going to show us how to make it, but really it's just an educational tour. You know, history of the whiskey. We'll check it out. There's Yota doing a selfie, of course. We'll check it out, and then we'll get back on the bus. This looks pretty late. We are at the Guinness Storehouse in Dublin. Doing a little tour. Hope you can learn this pretty loud.
You can return the little pocket-sized glasses on the gold plates right beside me by the door. It would be greatly appreciated. These glasses are actually 1/8 of a pint, with the same size all over.
Here's the fish on a bicycle. Okay, we're finished checking out the, what is this park called again? St. Stephen's Green. Now we're going over to Grafton Street.
Keith's very first Irish coffee. What do you think?
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
So it's good? Okay. All right, my first Irish coffee. It is good.
Nice. Wow, this is really, you should look at like the reaction.
Hi guys. Okay, so we are now in Shannon, and this is our home for the night. It's right near the airport. We always, if we're flying out early in the morning, we always get a hotel right next to the airport. So this is where we're going to be tonight. We're not going to go out. It's a really small town, and we're really tired. I think we've done about all we can do in about a week. And there's Keith sitting over there. Say hi, Keith.
Hello.
we're just gonna chill out here. It's a nice little hotel, and there's a nice restaurant downstairs, so we're gonna have dinner downstairs and just chill out, get up in the morning early, and fly back home. So I'm really excited about coming back home and putting together a little video for you guys. I'm going to do one just to show you some of the highlights, and Keith is going to work on an epic video. I think I told you guys this before. It takes him a little while because he does have a job, so he has to work, but he's going to work on it in his spare time, so it might be a month or so before he gets it finished. But it's been a fabulous vacation, and I'm thrilled to take you guys along with us on our Irish adventure. We learned a few words, and instead of saying you're having a good time or it's enjoyable, I think they say it like you're having crack. Is that right, Keith?
It says here, what's the crack, meaning how are you?
What's the crack?
What's happening?
Means what's happening. But when you travel, it's just such a learning experience, and that's what I love most about traveling. But probably the number one thing that I love about traveling is going back home again. So I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to see my grandchildren, talk to my mom, see my kitty. I don't know. I'm just ready to go back home.